Hi everyone, welcome back to our English class on Get Smart Plus 3 Module 6 with me, Teacher Grace. So for today, we'll be looking at the cooking competition story, doing some comprehension in your workbook on page 49 and also learning the value that we can learn from the story. Let's go! Let's read the cooking competition.
The cooking competition.
It's Wednesday afternoon and Ted and Faye are in class. Every month they have a cooking competition. I'm making noodle soup, Miss Tulip.
Are there any vegetables in your noodle soup, Ted?
Yes, of course. Faye isn't very good at cooking. She doesn't like it very much.
Faye, you've got some meat, some tomatoes and a pineapple. What are you making?
It's a surprise.
This month, Ted wins the cooking competition. Faye is sad. Her food is always bad.
Congratulations, Ted. Your noodle soup is delicious.
Thanks, miss. That evening at home, Faye tells her dad about the competition.
Faye, let's cook together.
Okay, Dad.
For 1 month, Faye and her dad cook and cook and cook. Today is the cooking competition.
Faye, you've got some flour, some milk, some chocolate and some eggs. What are you making?
It's a surprise, miss.
Miss Tulip is tasting the food. Sally's chocolate cake is very good. And Ted's chocolate biscuits are great too. And now it's Faye's turn.
Would you like some chocolate pancakes, Miss Tulip?
Yes, please. This is delicious. Great job, Faye. You're the winner.
So, based on the story that we have read together, what do you think the value of the story is? What can we learn about this story? Yes, you're right. It is by practicing we will be better. So practice makes perfect. Whatever that we do, if we can't do it well on the first try, don't worry. We have to do some more practices before we can master it. So remember, keep on practicing. Moving on to the next task, let's turn to your workbook on page 49 to answer some comprehension question. Let's go! Try to answer this question based on the story that we have read. Number 1. What is Ted making? You may answer it as Ted is making. Number 2. Has Faye got any onions? The response would be yes, she has, or no, she hasn't. Number 3. Who wins the competition? You may put just the name, or you can write the name wins the competition. Number 4. Is Faye happy? Your response would be yes, she is, or no, she isn't. Moving on to question number 5. Has Faye got milk and eggs? Your response would be yes, she has, or no, she hasn't. Number 6. Does Miss Tulip like Faye's chocolate pancakes? The response could be yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. Do remember to send your answers to your teachers for checking. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!